When the Blitz began, most of London dressed for survival. Winston Churchill dressed for war, on his own terms. He commissioned a custom one-piece suit he could throw on over his pajamas during air raids. He called it his siren suit. It was made by Turnbull and Asser on Jermyn Street, the same firm that made his shirts. He had them made in pinstripe wool, in velvet, in RAF blue. He wore one to meet Roosevelt. He wore one to meet Stalin at Yalta. The garment was practical. You could be dressed in 30 seconds. But the message was ideological. Britain was being bombed nightly. Its prime minister refused to look like a man under siege. Every appearance was a calculated statement. Even in crisis, British standards do not slip. How leaders dress in moments of existential pressure reveals what they believe is worth preserving. Churchill's refusal to dress down was not vanity. It was a declaration that civilizational standards survive only when someone insists on maintaining them, especially when it would be easier not to.